March 27th, 1977, a routine Sunday on the Canary Islands would turn into the deadliest day in aviation history. In just one collision, 583 lives would be lost forever. Two Boeing 747s, one from Pan Am and one from KLM, were diverted to a small airport in Tenerife. Thick fog blanketed the runway. Confusion spread as radio communications overlapped. Passengers sat waiting, unaware of the danger. Some looked out through the fogged windows, others chatted nervously. In the cockpit, pilots and controllers struggled to understand each other. And then, through the mist, two giants moved toward the same runway. But beyond the fog, disaster was already set in motion. In moments, these two giants of the sky would meet not in the air, but on the ground, in the deadliest collision aviation had ever seen. The KLM jet roared into its takeoff, unaware the Pan Am aircraft was still on the runway. In moments, the giants collided in the fog. Metal tore into metal. Wings and fuselage ripped apart in fire and debris. Inside, passengers were hurled against seats as flames burst through windows. Screams filled the smoke-choked cabin. Survival became a desperate struggle against fire, chaos, and twisted steel.